They say that Simon Ekpa don expose Ejele over secret message wey he send am say make him withdraw him army for inside bush. E be like say many army don kpai. However, go play the video. Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing o. They say that Ejele don come outside for this video wey I go play you now. He talk so many things. He say as him be like say Nigeria come dey lead Nigeria army dey enter some camp as e be o. If you see this video wey I go play you now, even wear army uniform o. He say that he go make sure say he wipe out every Biafra liberation army wey dey for inside Igbo land. No be small thing. Now I say this one dey happen for here, and as we dey talk now, information still dey reach us say the Biafra liberation army don turn am say make him come back burial wey wan come again o. Now I come say wow, we still dey here dey watch. But however, we go play the video. Before we jump inside, let's find out how this thing dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time when you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, let's quickly jump into the matter what we'll get for our hand today. Ejele don part come outside, they'll come to say he send a message, give Simon Ekpa, say make him carry withdraw him boys where they inside bush so that they no go dey buy. No be small thing. Now Ejele come to say Simon Ekpa carry the message come out outside. But that one no end for there. He still went ahead and talk so many things. But Ejele want ask you something. Wetin you gain? Wetin you gain, my brother? But however, let's play the video. May you watch. I will come back and continue.
I want to play, is to counter to counter this Berima, this Apoda, Unushinono, Agamev, Ejida Gabodo, that will never ever put himself in a position where he's not even have the position where he's putting people's children. I've not gone to the village yet. You understand? This man, family, do okay. I greet you. He will never put himself half the place he is putting people's children. Which is, you will never see him where Fion will be going both ways, Alex. He will never, you will never see him there. It is just to stay inside the Igbo of one Finland. And I know that woman now where you take get paper. Now like ×3 of this chair. And no kidding. ×3 of this chair. Now in big. Now, oh, I can't hear. Thanks for the 200 stars, my brother. Jeffrey Tuzaga, see you. Andrew. Thank you, Andrew, for the 200 stars. You will never see Ekpa anywhere near where he's sending people's children. All he chose to okay, thanks for the 50 stars. But he will send people's children. This warning is for those of you that are still listening to that Onyoshi. The video he is circulating is a video, an old video. Are you listening to me now? The video he is circulating is an old video. Do you remember that time they were marching? When they were lining up like Omoatro that are heading to the slaughterhouse. That video then, remember I have challenged this Okoko and said, if them born you well, if your mama no be Okoko, if your mama no be Nketa way, everybody for streets, they take play sets. Pass and give me, use and give this one. The Okada man use, you go give a keke rider. Keke rider go use, you go give a truck pusher. Truck pusher they use, you go give scavenger. Babambola go use, you go give all the. You know this Okada where una go see them go they go. Person don't talk about you go they put hand in front of they show you saying go they do anything way like now those ones. Simon Ekpa, if your mama no be like that. Go do another parade, make we see. If you have any of his accounts, tag him, Ekpa. He will pretend not to know. Remember what the message I sent him, 31st of October, 2023. Now even using hand. Go display the photo for the whole world. The message. And I don't know what he was trying to gain by telling people that I told him to let those boys go. Ibrahim, thank you so much. Ekunda, thank you for the 200 stars. We could give you more. Where I told him, send these children home. Let them go back to their people. You are just buying these people for nothing. And Victor, they will just waste like that. Nothing would happen. Okoko no here. What did he do? He got this plan. I am happy he showed it at least. Let Umuewu in the bush know that I am the one self who loves them. You know, these are my bingos. Without my bingos, what am I? What am I without my bingos? Simon Ekpa, no go buy all these bingos for me. Every day. Than sending them to go and challenge the army. Mgbe ịkọkọtara mụ na ha akọkọta ọnụ ụfọdụ nwee sense otu a ndị nke nwego sense nwego sense, but Ozu will not agree. He'll be saying that, oh, go there, they are doing woto on Twitter. No, what did they do to army last week? Oh, they fight an army. Oh, they do recycling old videos. Recycling. Let Jen to show you a video of him at Osu. Let us see. You Okoko from Iko, from Unsuba, from Akotimo, from Eza, from what do you call them? These other places in Ebon where they are recruiting boys. You are Swanworo from Riverine area in Anambra State. You Ocho from Onsuka, from Uji River, from Okigwe. You are Paamu from wherever. Andrew, thanks for the 20 stars. From wherever you are coming from, that is still there jumping up and down. Let me warn you. You put head there, your own go finish. I know say many of una they wait make a army come out. Then una go still come back. Make I tell you, for una put head there, we go put head again. Unu boy, I want boy again. At the end of the day, you go waste yourself. Your people go lose you, Sarah. Una don't ever see where they pay indemnity to any of all these ones we buy. And some of una then be they tell another time, oh, if you buy, then go build a house for your family. Then go do, guys, please hit the like button and share the video. They don't attack again. Then go build a house for you. You where they are alive, they don't even give you the money where then they collect online, saying that to feed you. Now when you buy, they go come build a palace. They leave a palace for your own family. I am giving you a serious one. It's better Simon Ekpa will be doing. You see, this guy, you don't even get sense. And how he managed to confuse you now. Now waiting still there. Baffle me till date. Now I don't launch coin for them. Oh, Biafra coin. The day he launched that nonsense, scam. The day when he launched that thing, you will see adult. Let me block one or two. Ndoshi, come with your real account if your mama no be ashawuna. Come with your real account. You will see adults, supposed adults. Oh, I'm a graduate. You see, you hear the, oh, wonderful. Wow, amazing. Oh, amazing. Say, Naira, they go down. Say, na they have their fraud coin. Make I tell you, no matter how that way it is, say Naira go, it's still better 1 billion times pass your Biafra. You no get where they exchange anything in the name of Biafra. Hear this one. Hear this one. They know they exchange anything in the name of Biafra. It doesn't exist. It not pass social media. It not the Ozu Simon Ekpa in Zenago. I even told him, if you want to be making money with these people, just let these small boys go. Me self, I go teach you how to collect money from this room. When no one gets sense, you know here. Next thing, oh, he gets here. He sent me a message. So I sent you a message for so what? So what? The message to let these small boys go to their people. Eh? It's on the channel we had stopped to sit at home. No, they foreclose now. No, Buhari they hear am now. No, therefore do am another 8 years. Make Tinubu self the year when he go finish for office. Buhari don't the year am. Why then they stop? Oh, they don't stop sit at home. Now they won't get sense. Wetin we tell them when? My people, not be genuine, not be when they catch this their Usain Bolt. They be not they do their nonsense at home. But 2021, June, now we tell them, say, you see this one when I say I want to sit down every morning. No, na go tire. Did we tell them or not? Who remembers when we told people this thing? You know, say people, all these ones with their brain, they no gear. Something wey small pikin of 12 years wey e brain sharp go here now, put am into practice. Those ones, you go take them years. This is the 3rd year. 3 months to the time they started it now. This is it. 3 months to exactly 3 years. They started this thing. Who again remembers when we did this thing, when we told them, he go run for now, no, now go cry. Thank you, Channel Ugo. Thank you, Channel Ugo. Waiting, we tell them that time. Now, on our one consistent, on our for extend them. At least make Tinubu self the year and when you go come off office. You don't have the time is not on your side. Pata you go stop for your place. No, Peter, they never do am. Now this Friday, they go bury am. And like I said, my people, I may be able to broadcast 6th morning. But anything after 6, if you see video, na video where I don't do before, where I just upload, you understand? Other than that, I won't make any video until 9th evening or 10th morning. You get me? Let me play this, all these things for now. Make everybody for see. I am playing this for the benefit of these umuzu that are not marked for buying. Because you get many of them, no matter how you try, you can't save them. You can't save them. They don't mark them, say they go buy. And that they go buy means say they go buy. Okay? I get many videos of even men, when men, them, I no go show this one now, wow. This particular one now, wow, now, no. I no go show them. I dey try the one where they public domain. Oh yeah. More na ask Uzu Simon Ekpa. Say the equal to market. The equal to market where they say, Mohammed Aminu, thank you so much, bro. The equal to market where them say them dey. E different from this one. See where army dey dance. Shebi una gentle been there they dance lonely. Money on my mind. Oh yeah, go dance again now. Wanna see the video here.
Gaskiya ne ce ba gariya bane ya ce website
any bingo where them born where Simon, where your own? Where your own muscle? Where your own muscle? This is where This is, wait, I'm going to get the other one. See this one. Start with this one. Okay, shall bring you up.
Very well. That at the end, we will be going to speak. But I thought I was going on by what? Now the name of me, I want to Chineke no here then. Chineke akwala ya ọkụ. Zie anyị ụzọ. I will go to question nobody that. So here they are.
Wait, let me now go back to this one. Where they are preaching to the people. Evangelism. This one, the volume is
yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear all the whole okpata where Ejele here for this video. No be small thing, no. My people, I beg, may you let me know what you think for inside comment section. What will be your talk? What do you have for Ejele for this matter? We carry himself put inside. However, share the video as it hot. We see they here they bring update. Our own not to bring update of things where they happen. No, I will leave you to decide to move talk about them so that people wey matter to go see am. People share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as they hot.